so we're gonna see the snow, take a little walking, exploration into the woods. So this is where we're at. Cause look, the little snow that fell. It's pretty. And with a marker. Let's go, boys. Let's go exploring.
I hope we get out of the road soon.
Huh? Yeah, some green, and then some are covered in snow, so they look like white trees. Hi guys! You guys ready to go? But yeah, it's a little cold here in Germany today. Because of snow, I mean, not too excited because if you guys know, let's see, the past 3 winters I've experienced already, or not snow. I expect more snow. What are they doing? Okay, those two are goofing off somewhere. But yeah, I don't know, it's really pretty, but I wish it was more. I love snow. I want, like, you know, a lot of snow. Yeah, but I mean, I guess it's a good sign. Maybe we'll get a real winter this year. So, I don't know, but yeah, they just made this, you know, so pretty, so different from the last little video upload we've shared with you guys. But yeah, first snow of 2015 for Germany, at least for in our area, which is, you know, Vilseck, Bavaria area. I'm pretty sure more up north, like Rhinestein area, like way up there, they probably got snow already. They probably got like legit snow. But yeah, ooh, it's cold. I should have got, oh, I got a hoodie. Yeah, but I should have brought like mittens. But yeah, so we'll check back in with you guys and, you know, share, you know, come along with us on our little first day snow hike. But yeah, we'll check back in a little bit. Why is Boris drooling? He has a drool hanging out. This is so excited. Right here, this is pretty right here.
Lawrence, come here. Lawrence.
Oh look, you have red on the bottom and I have red on the top. Trying to keep the camera steady as I can, guys. Ooh, look how pretty. Okay, I'm pretty sure you guys are not going to be able to see that, but either it's starting to snow some more or the wind is blowing some of the snow off the trees. But yeah, yeah. Don't know if you guys saw that. But anyways, I'm all hooded up and zipped up because it's not too late. I really wish I brought some mittens. But yeah, honey, you want to say hi?
Hello.
Say hi. Hi.
There you go.
Oh snap, people. Come on, people. They're following us. No, seriously, they're right behind the other path. I think they have a dog. But yeah.
More secluded over here.
Can't see hear them?
Oh, they're coming this way.
It's so pretty. Yeah, those people are running, training. This is really pretty. Like for real, look how pretty it is. I mean, for those that love, you know, nature, to see the beauty of nature. It's so beautiful. Oh, can you guys see the snow falling? Yeah. Man, I love this. This is like heaven. Oh, what is this?
I love the dog statue.
A dog statue? Hold on, I'm going to see what this is. So, of course, it's in German, and I don't know what that says, but it's probably some kind of like thing you can do, like balance or something. But look, it is. It looks like a little dog or a pig or a moose. No, this is a moose.
Oh, it's a moose.
I think it's a moose.
Oh.
It looks more like a moose to me because these could be antlers.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so cute, Boris, right? You almost thought it was a dog. I think it's more of a moose. Boris, what do you think? Boris?
I think it's a dog.
He's exploring. Alright, you guys gonna try this?
It's slippery.
It's slippery? Well, I mean, I think you can still bounce on it. Oh, Boris gonna try, look.
It's slippery.
Boris, I'll try. I think he'll follow. Boris, you can do it too. He's just making it harder for you, look.
Yeah. I'm just sliding. Whoa.
Boris. Alright, I'm gonna try. I probably... Whoa, it is slippery. Wow.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh.
it's not doing it.
Wow. I mean, especially with these boots. I don't think they're really like any grip on my boots. But, oh yeah, it's slippery. I don't want to break my camera. Alright, Mom's gonna opt out.
It's now.
It's okay, he's having fun. Yeah, I think it's snowing. I don't think that's the wind. Look at this cool tree. But yeah, I think it's snowing. It's not really windy. I think there's more snow coming. Yeah, we're not the only ones who had the same idea to, you know, venture out into the forest, into the woods, you know, for the first falling of snows. Oh man, that's so pretty. So pretty. I wish I brought my camera, but I decided just to focus on video capturing. Oh, see, they have like these random, exercise or games that you can do. You know, and they tell you how to do. Yeah, this is like exercising or stretching or something.
Oh yeah, for sit-ups and abs.
Yeah, that's so cool. I love it. Boris, what are you doing? Boris is just leading the way. Oh, that's really pretty over there.
What's that one?
Yeah, no, I don't know if I can capture it. Hello. Hello.
Nice bed over here.
Huh?
It's a nice bed. Boris, over here. This one.
What? Boris trying to get the doggy? Boris. Hello. Boris is, let me out. Boris, no. Wait.
No. Boris, this one.
Did he take care?
No.
No? Boris wants to get to the doggy.
Yeah.
He said, let me play with the doggy.
Good daddy now, Boris.
Yeah, I mean, this is really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see the contrast of the colors and the lighting. The sun, like it's so pretty. More pretty in real life. You did it again, I bet you I captured it. Farting in the woods. And it stings. Ah. Whew. Na, 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 na. So pretty. It's a little bit more crowded over here than usual, huh? Like, we run into like how many people already? Wait up! Wait! Hey, you know what? We've never ran into so many people on our, you know, nature adventures, like walking in the woods and exploring, you know, nature, Mother Nature. Today, I think everybody had
Right here's nice.
like the same idea. Whew. Oh, so pretty. Somebody want to try this?
It's too cold, okay?
Huh? Come on, I can do this. All right.
It's actually nice over
I'm
here.
going to try, yeah, right. I can't even do a, what you call it? A pull-up. I suck at pull-ups. Ever since, like, middle school, high school, to now, I have weak arms. 3 times a week, but my legs, no, those legs are strong like an ox. I can't even reach it, look. I can't reach it. Not gonna happen, not gonna happen. But look at Boris. You guys see Boris? Where is he? I can't even see, oh, there he is. Boris! Hold on. See? Boris is enjoying. He loves it. Come on, Boris, he loves the snow. And then he wants real snow, like more and more snow. Boris, come on. I don't think I captured the full, you know, him turning around in the snow and stuff like that, enjoying himself. Hopefully, I will catch it the next time he does it. So pretty. I'm like, you can breathe in that fresh air, and it's good for your lungs and the walking, and this is nice. This is more than nice. This is our thing. Boris is in his element right now, of course. Boris, I'm in my element, Oh, so glad I did not wear new shoes today. I've worn these already. Boris, you exploring? You smell other animals and dogs? Oh, he's Mark. What's Boris doing? Okay, you don't know how to hold shit, like for real?
Like this?
So you're not gonna talk?
No, we gotta talk.
You're trying to break my camera now.
Oh.
Where's the record button at?
Right here.
Let me see. You need to stop it. Why is it recording?
Hello, everybody. So, now it's my turn to record. There's my wife.
You know, they're tired of seeing just my head.
There's Boris.
Have a different narration.
And there is me.
Did you flip it?
Yeah.
Oh.
So,
How did you feel with that? Because this is the first time you touched it.
yeah, it's my first time. It's actually pretty cool.
Oh, snap. Alright. Boris is doing his...
Alright, so I'm back again. Here we are. And we're still walking. It's a little chilly, cold. What'd you guys find, hey? Oh yeah? Oh yeah, there is another spot. I think we've reached the end of the line for this time.
No, this is a different spot.
Oh, I didn't even know. There's another spot over there. So there's another spot right there. As you guys can see. You guys see that? Another spot.
I can capture you holding it in like...
Yeah.
But let's look at the map. See what's up with that.
Okay.
I think there's a map of it too over here.
Alright, so let's go see the map real quick. So there's a map over here. I guess there was another parking space over here we missed. Didn't realize. Oh. There you go. Finally figured it out.
I can't wait to see that little clip so I can see how was that. Did the snow just fall on me? Yeah, snow just fell on me. And it's like this. See? Fluidity. Oh, we know that. My boys and my hubbies. Two of my, well, she was a girl, so what is it? You guys are my boys or, oh, people are coming. Right there. There's other people in their dogs. Let's go. Ooh. Whoa. That's just the snow falling from the trees.
So, it's actually a nice place.
Yeah, just a random little hiking place. Yeah, we love finding these little things. But it was like a map, so it's not like you're totally, excuse me, like unpaid pass because, like, you saw that there's like little things that you can do, like activities in the woods. But, whew. So this is some, like, legit, like, path for you to explore. But, yeah, whew, good for that air. Boy, so you should take him out the leash, but there's been too many dogs. Yeah, he's enjoying. You think he's cold, but he's not.
I guess he's a lot.
It's still snowing, the snow is falling, and the boys are running. But there's more like, here's some like more trees that are more like snowed on. Oh, so pretty, you guys, so pretty. Right, boys, so pretty?
Hey? Boris went jogging.
Yeah, I saw you guys, You guys are running amok around here.
Yeah.
Just going crazy in the woods. Going crazy in the woods. More people. Where are they at?
This way, Boris, this way.
Boris. Boris. Wait.
It's cold.
Boris. Yeah, I think it's, oh, they're so pretty. Oh, okay. See, this is my Boris. Oh, another activity.
Yeah.
Boris just wants to say hi, everybody. Huh?
Which one's this? This one is...
I think
you run around it.
what? Oh, you run around it? I was gonna say you run on top of it? Like a little kid?
Like alternating.
Oh, man, I love it.
Like this.
Yeah, you run
Boris
around.
and I demonstrate.
Okay.
This way, Boris.
Look at Boris. Boris is like, what the heck is this? Oh, Boris is actually enjoying it. Oh, honey, you can see the snow falling. This is like, I told you guys.
Oh, yeah.
This is snow. It's still falling. You see it, right? I think you can see it to the camera.
The snowflakes?
Yeah, no, this is snow stuff. Oh, I'm trying to. See, that's legit snow. Okay. Well, you know what? You can see it on here. Like, you can see it falling there. See? All right. Boris, what's your next? I should be like lower. I think I can kind of see this new snow falling, but oh, my camera. Oh, here we go. Maybe you guys can see it better like that. See? Oh my God, I'm so like, oh, honey, look at the little snowflakes. I wish I could zoom into that, but they're pretty.
Yeah, we're getting snow now.
Wait, it's getting bigger by the second, you guys. Look. See, you guys? It's like, well, you can see from my sunglasses or my glasses that, oh, it's in my hair too. Oh, look at the pretty snowflakes. Look. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I don't know if you guys can see it falling on me, but yeah, you can kind of see it, but it's just like too much whiteness. But, some of my clothes. That's my clothes. And, yeah, this is so fun. You guys see in the background? But anyways, I think, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I wish you guys could see this in person. It's like we're in a magical thing. Anyways, I don't know if I'm going to keep recording right now because, you know, snowflakes, snow is water. It's, you know, wet. It's going to ruin my camera. So I'll check back in with you guys and kind of end it. I think the snow is getting actually thicker. So, yay in the snow, but boo for the wetting of my camera. Come on. I got one. Oh my God, it's getting really thick. You guys see that? Boys, you guys are silly. Oh, snow. Boris says, I'm gonna keep enjoying. Bet you it's so cold. We need to get him some snow booties.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, maybe Wednesday. Let's go to the pet store and check out some winter gear for him because
he would
he would enjoy that. Boris, you good? Look, he's drooling again. He just had too much fun. Alright, guys. So that's it for this video because my camcorder's actually getting really, really wet. But yeah, we're heading on to the car and. Hey, you want to say bye? Where are you guys at? I can't even see you. But yeah, this place is a legit place. If you're in Germany or in the area, I will just link this down below because it's really cool. I didn't get to capture everything because the snow. I was just waiting my little camcorder here, and that's not good. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, if you're here, check this place out. It's pretty cool. And yeah, I'm gonna say bye, you guys. Get boys yeah, we're gonna call it it. We say bye, see you guys next vlog, okay? Honey, you guys wanna say bye? No, you don't wanna say. Alright, bye guys.